This is V in Orlando. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I thought I'd change things up a little bit today. We're going to do some float fishing with a BG1 jig head from iFish. Got a few Gulp products here in my hand, a couple of minnows, one earthworm. Let's see if we can get bit today. Maybe over here by the dock. Fish. There we go. Found something. Found some. Hey, they came off. Well, at least I had a bite. Another fish. Here we go. Stay on. Small bluegill, like a 5-incher. It's something. Yeah, there we go. First fish of the day. Out here bluegill fishing, or fishing for whatever bites. It's a start. It's a start. I'm hoping to find some more fish hiding in the shade near this dock. I'm starting to wonder if I might have better luck without the float. I won't be able to cast as far, but might look a little more realistic. All right, we're gonna try without the float.
This is Will in Indiana, and you watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
What? Something stole my bait? I have one more Gulp minnow. Fish. All right, another 5, maybe 6-inch bluegill. It's better than nothing. Yeah, look at that. If I was starving, I would keep this one, but I'm not, so we'll let it go. The corner of this dock here seems to be the place to be. Probably because of the shade. Oh, I had a bite, missed him. Fish. Another 6-inch bluegill. I'm starting to see a pattern here. Good looking fish anyway. Let's let it go. Damn, that one stole my minnow. Second minnow gone. Wow. Bait stealers. Let's try something else. As a backup plan, I brought this. This is Gulp Earthworm. Alright, let's try this.
My name is Bennett. I'm from North Carolina. Remember, always keep it realistic.
Fish on. 6-inch bluegill. All of these fish look the same. There is a school of cookie cutter 6-inch bluegill down there. If you want to catch fish in the heat of the summer, sometimes they're right off the edge of a dock, just like this. Oh, no monsters yet, but I'm getting bites. I'm getting bites. Stole my bait again. Come on, just one or two more and then I'm out of here. No one? No one else? Let's try off the front of the dock. Let's try this corner. We got a boat coming here. Good.
What's up, everybody? Fat Boy Dan here from Fat Boy Dan's Great Outdoors. Y'all already know you're watching realistic fishing, and just remember to always keep it realistic.
I thought I would increase my chances of catching something today by downsizing to a gulp minnow or a piece of gulp earthworm. And while I did catch some fish, I didn't catch anything amazing. I got a handful of 6-inch bluegill today, which is better than nothing. It got hot again. The fish aren't biting, but that's all right. It should cool off soon. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.